black color, green color, blue color, yellow color, red color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use black color and draw. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use black color and draw. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. And again use black color. Black color. Kids, neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use green color. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use green color and draw. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, again use green color and draw. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use blue color and draw. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, again use blue color and draw. S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for ankle. Kids, neither V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use yellow color. The alphabets of V. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Kids, again use yellow color and draw. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Black color, green color, yellow color, blue color, red color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. Kids, 96. The numbers of 6. and hue is green color. S IX6 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H T 8. Kids, again use green color and draw 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10. Kids, Nidra 11. The numbers of 11 and hue is yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, night 16. The numbers of 16 and hue is blue color. The numbers of 16. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids, again use blue color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Black color, green color, blue color, red color, yellow color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets and use black color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use black color and draw E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, neither H for hand, H for helicopter, and hue is green color. Kids, again use green color and draw I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use green color and draw M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither numbers, and first either 1 and hue is blue color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids, again use blue color and draw 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7. Kids, neither 8 the numbers of 8 and use red color. E I T H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E N 10, 11, the numbers of 11, 12, the numbers of 12, 13, the numbers of 13. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.